just take off the pressure. You wanna see the stars, but I got something better. You look like Calabasas and taste like Malibu. I watch that dress fall off your body and enjoy the view. We look so good together. We look so good together. Chardonnay on the cliffside, lost in your eyes like a riptide. You got the keys to my Rover. Baby, don't ask, just come over.
To the B, M to the B, M to the B. I'm a Manchester girl, don't hate me. I'm a Manchester girl, don't hate me. Angel, are you a Manchester girl? Any words?
No.
Okay, no words.
Cheese bread. Emmy made cheese bread, but not pau de queijo.
Oh, you wanna watch some Emmy made in Japan?
Maybe.
What about Kitchen and Jorn?
No. The foods they buy are stupid.
Me and Angel have different taste in food channels. She watches Good Mythical Morning, Emmy made in Japan, and I watch the refined Kitchen and Jorn. Yeah. Get into it, yeah.
It's like you're a child with a camcorder.
Get into it, yeah. Get into it, yeah.
This Sony camera looks like a cheap toy.
It does.
And somehow it was $500.
I know. I didn't. Well, I knew, but I didn't know, but I knew. You know what I'm saying? Say it.
No.
Well, the camera can't pan away unless you say it.
No.
It's the magic words.
No.
Say, man, just a girl, don't hate me. I'm gonna squeeze your head. I'm gonna squeeze your head if you don't say it. She's not having a good time like I'm having a good time. The lady who did my eyebrow recently messed it all the way up. Ew, why do I have so much skin flake? Angel, you're not playing Candy Crush.
No.